Okay, well, Christmas is here and my cat is embarrassing me per usual. This is why we were kicked out of being black. We got our black card revoked because my cat does shit like this. Okay, this is my kitchen counter. I am not going to, like, I don't know. She's the cleanest cat that I have. I don't know. She's the oldest cat that I have. She don't follow the rules, you guys, okay? But I wanted to show you guys, my husband got me this bread maker for Christmas. I've been asking for this bread maker since my birthday, okay? I've been asking for it since my birthday, but my husband doesn't believe that I'm gonna, oh, you don't need no bread maker, you don't even like cooking. But we got the bread maker for Christmas. Baby, show them your merch. Yay, shop by Ho. By the time I post this video, it's probably gonna be January. What's up, beautiful people? Happy New Year. You're here for my life and we are back with another video. This is my first video for 2025. I hope you guys had an amazing holiday. I hope you guys had an amazing new year, and I hope you guys kicked your new year off doing and committing yourselves to all of your new year resolutions. Now, this video is old. I recorded this video in December. This was the day after Christmas. You guys know I had been planning to move. We are still moving. We are actually moving at the end of this month, but I wanted to, I guess, post this video to show you guys the ending of the year, or just to really get myself ready to really be consistent this year. It's no secret that I can't cook, so I'm just heading over to the kitchen to warm up some leftovers. Yes, you guys, I'm heating up last night's steak dinner that we had from our favorite restaurant. It is what it is. Sometimes I'm eating healthy, sometimes I'm not. This is what I'm having for breakfast, baby. Judge your minute. So now we have to pack up these orders. These were some of the orders that were purchased for our Christmas sale. Thank you to each and every last one of you all that supported me and purchased some things from my website in general, but especially to everyone that committed to purchasing things for the limited edition holiday collection. It was my first time doing a limited edition holiday collection. I was extremely nervous about it. I didn't know how many items to purchase. I didn't think people would actually support me and purchase things, but you guys did, and I'm so excited and grateful and thankful that you guys support me the way that you do. You guys always show up for me. I wanted to film content and show more of the process for this limited edition collection, but I just didn't get a chance to film it. I had so many things going on with my grandmother, filming my apartment, these cats, life, my husband starting a new business, and trying to maintain my T page. It's just been so many things happening. I didn't get a chance to really hone in on my vlogging content, but I'm committed this year to really being consistent over here on this platform. Instagram, and I want you guys to even hold me accountable and be like, girl, where you at? Like, you can't be going a week without posting content. Like, get in your bag. I want y'all to really hold me accountable. But like I said, thank you to each and every last one of you guys that were supporting me. I ended up only having about 7 mugs left. So I still have 7 mugs from the holiday collection that I didn't end up selling. But I am so grateful. Like I said, I love this beautiful red mug. I love the holiday collection theme. For those of you guys that don't get it, when I put buy ho on my merch, it was really because people was trolling me, and my response to them was to troll them back and then dismiss them with a buy ho. And people over on my T page loved it so much they thought I should make merch out of it, and I did, and it's become this thing that I'm really grateful for. So there is always going to be room for buy ho merch, but I want to definitely open up the doors for more merch, more opportunities, more content, different content. And I hope you guys are really going to love, well, I hope you guys love the new projects and the new things that I have coming up. I feel like 2024 was an eye-opener for me, but it also provided me with so many more opportunities. I received so many more blessings that I thought I'd never receive, honestly. Blessings in disguise. I met so many more people that I never thought I'd meet. I was able to network and cultivate friendships and relationships with people that I never thought I would be able to do, or I just never saw in my future in general. You know, it's not even that I never saw it in my future. It just wasn't something that I thought about, cared about, etc. But I've been put in position, I feel, to really elevate myself, elevate my life, show my journey in life, and expand my business, expand my brand. And I am truly excited for that. And then y'all know I got 1,000,009 kids. So, and by kids, I mean cats. So this entire year have just been full of surprises. I was surprised and shocked to find 5 kittens that panned out to be in my family. Like, I did not think we would end up keeping all these kittens, but we did. And even Zaza, my beautiful baby tuxedo cat, because she is my original, like, I'm pretty sure she wasn't even expecting that. So many things in life we weren't expecting, so many things in life we don't expect. And no matter how much I plan this year for the years in the future, you never know what the universe and God has planned for you. So just live your life to the fullest while you can. Enjoy life and seek to do everything that you want to do. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on your way out. Don't forget to visit the website www.h4ht.com and shop some of our merch that we still have available. I will be restocking the classic and the 90s buy ho mugs after April. Yes, so I'm going to be restocking in April, probably mid-April or the beginning of May. You guys stay tuned for that, but I will be here on the vlogging channel a lot more, so stay tuned.